Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off personalized recommendation based on your activity with our partners on your Reddit app. We will just go up here in this picture, we will click, then this window show for us, then we just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we just click here on account settings for you, then we come to account settings here, then we just go down here and we come here to personalize recommendation based on your activity with our partners. So we'll click here on this mark or this color, and like you see color, it's gone. That's main personalized recommendation based on your activity with our partners. It's on off now, so that's on now. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for the watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about our Reddit settings.